him, wife. Cheese. Cheese is good.
Mommy, wait, help me please.
Lighting is terrible.
You're trying. Better?
Yeah.
I'm like, look at staring straight at the mic. So we've been off the keto bandwagon. So we've been off.
Just do it.
Take 17. So we've been off the keto bandwagon for a little while. We've been failing at keto. True?
True.
True.
I'm eating a cookie. That's actually keto.
Keto cookie. So we're going back to keto. Keto refresh. Keto restart. But we got a whole bunch of stuff in the house that's not exactly keto. We moved. Things were hard. It was hard to keep up on it. So we went a little crazy. And it's time for a keto purge. So what are we gonna do?
Please excuse this no makeup face. Having a little eye problem. And I was home all day, so I just.
It's all good. So, what are we doing?
So we're gonna go through the fridge, the freezer, the pantry or cabinets or whatever, and anywhere we keep food.
Yes.
And we're gonna
Mommy,
keep.
which one is our pantry?
Benjamin, do you eat keto?
No.
That's right. You eat like a normal kid.
Because you love special treats.
Yeah.
But you like the cookies that I made.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were keto. What about chicken nuggets?
What are the cookies that you made, Mommy?
You helped me put the sprinkles on, remember?
Oh, yeah.
The butter cookies.
What about chicken nuggets?
No.
No, they're not. Yeah. Okay, so ready?
Purge time.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Point number 1, the freezer.
Isn't this weird though that it opens on the side? We're gonna switch it.
Yeah, we gotta fix that. Okay, what do we got?
Okay, well this is baby food. So that's a
Baby food doesn't count. We're gonna make a kids anything non-keto.
Yeah.
It stays is for kids.
Yeah. This is keto.
It's guacamole. It's
Avocado.
good.
This is cashews. They're good. They're higher in carbs. So you don't want to do too much, but
Key-tesc.
yeah. Mango for kids. Sausage for kids. These are cinnamon keto muffins that I made from the Keto Connect cookbook, which I can link below.
Boom.
They're good. Peaches for kids. Brielle food. Breakfast sausage for casseroles. That's keto. We made our own roasted garlic butter.
Mm-hmm.
But this is just a roasted garlic tart. More muffins that are keto. Walnuts and mixed nuts and flaxseed. All okay. More baby food. Well, she's not almost not a baby anymore. Made fat bombs. Those are keto. Keeping up. Corn is not exactly keto. There's not a lot. And since I do a little bit more carbs, I'd rather do whole food carbs. I'm still breastfeeding. I burn a lot of calories. I'm gonna use this because I'd rather have this than like chips for more calories. Cheese, Romano, salami, kielbasa, green beans, and we have some berries back there that.
Okay, so the freezer's pretty keto then.
It's pretty well, except for we have peanut butter and jelly for the kids.
That's for the kids. It's okay.
We need to eat this up. Although I don't really like ahi tuna.
Steaks.
Avocado chunks.
That's totally keto.
We have almonds and we're pretty good on the freezer. Just
Okay.
some vegetables. Alright. There's also some more keto baked goods in there. This is a keto pepperoni pizza. 6 grams of carbs per serving, and there's 2 servings in one. So,
That's not
you know,
bad.
if you're wanting pizza, it's a good alternative. We haven't tried it yet, so I can't vouch for it. Okay, that's the freezer. Fridge. Eggs. Eggs are keto. This is not for us, so that's for the baby.
Breast milk is totally keto.
Feta cheese. Keto. This is for the kids. Some turkey and ham. Because it's easy right now.
Mommy?
Yes, Benjamin. We're gonna have some mayonnaise, which we're still using up since the last Costco haul that we did. But we got an immersion blender, so we're gonna make our own mayonnaise, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, you're in the way. No, you can't sit on me. Sit next to me. Sit right here. Okay, sour cream. Good.
I want to help you.
When I get something to take out, you can give it. Okay, heavy whipping cream, good. A couple of those. Our cold brew, which if you don't know how to make, check out the link up here. Go up here for our video. It's awesome. We make it in bulk. Blueberries in moderation, those are fine.
That's what I like.
And you like them, yes. Banana pancakes for the
I love
kids.
them. I want to eat them. I want to eat them.
Okay, now right now. Yeah.
What can I
Nothing, you just have cheese.
eat?
Cheddar cheese. Okay.
I like your hair.
Ow, ow.
I like it.
Not keto.
Not keto. Benjamin, are you gonna eat this?
Yeah.
You're gonna eat these?
Yeah.
Flour tortillas?
Yeah. I love them.
You do?
I love them plain. I love plain tortillas.
Fruit for the kids, and apparently we'll keep these.
I want some.
Watermelon for Benjamin.
And me again.
Grilled vegetables. Eggplant, peppers, artichokes, zucchini. It was a gift, but it's pretty keto. We have apples and nuts. Squash for us or the kids. Onions, celery, avocados, cilantro. Now I have some salad mixes for work. I have not calculated the carbs on this. I don't think Brandon would eat it. It's only 11 grams of carbs, but times 4. So, you know, maybe we only eat these this week. All right, so the fridge is doing pretty good. I'm actually impressed. Okay, we've got some cottage cheese, yogurt for Benjamin. This is all Benjamin's stuff, peanut butter and jelly and ketchup. But we do eat the peanut butter. Our sparkling waters that we love. More nuts, almond butter, cream cheese, some tallow. Oh, and this was so good. We got it at Costco. Cilantro lime crema. And it has only 2 grams of carbs for 2 tablespoons. So it's pretty tasty also. So you know, I think we're doing pretty good. We got lots of butter stocked up. What about this? 5 grams of carbs for 1 tablespoon. It's almost out. Should we just throw it away?
Purge pot.
This is straight sugar.
Purge pot.
Alright, I think the fridge is done. Do you want to go through the pantry?
This is where it's gonna be dangerous. This is spices and stuff. That's all keto. In fact, it's so keto, someone even says keto. Keto Vitals. If you don't know, these are awesome. You should try these out. We will link below how you can find these on Amazon. They're actually not that crazy for price. We probably each drink one of those a day, I think. I do.
A little less often.
I totally do. They're really good. Throw them in like a sparkling water or whatever, and you get calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium. It's kind of like a little pick-me-up keto energy drink-ish kind of thing.
Yeah, like if you don't want coffee.
I still drink coffee.
Yum.
Okay. What's up here? Up here, Pete's. This is our favorite coffee. We've tried other stuff. This is what we make our cold brew with. This is the only blend we use for our cold brew. It's super good. We'll do a link down below where you can find this on Amazon, but we'll put a link right here where you can see how we make the cold brew. There. This is all olive oil and vinegar, so nothing to worry about there. That's all keto. Cups don't count. Olive oil is totally good. This is a lot of olive oil, some rice wine vinegar. We've got hot sauce and chipotle avocado oil. Do you want that?
I don't know. I don't know how spicy it is.
Chipotle. We'll keep it. Okay. All right. Kid stuff.
Yeah.
Kid stuff. Coconut milk. That's good. Beans are not keto.
But for real.
For kids. Okay, kids.
In moderation.
Kids. That's totally keto, right? This is keto?
Kids.
Okay, kids. Keeping?
Yeah, he just got those.
Oh, he just got it. Well, we better keep it then. Let's see. Kids.
He hasn't been eating those though.
Are we keeping this?
No.
Oh, not keto. Give these crazies away because he's not eating them and this is not keto. First one. Keto. Keto, keto. Do you guys eat this? Is it weird that we have this? I think we bought it for the hurricane and then didn't eat it yet. Are you shaking the camera to say no? Mm-hmm. Let me know if you eat this, okay? I want to know if you eat this. I grew up on this, but it's not Spam. How do you feel about Spam, honey? She doesn't like Spam. Okay, pie filling. Not keto. That was sarcasm. No, Purge pile. Okay, Corn in a can. Purge pile. Yeah, and we're not gonna throw all this out. We're gonna offer it to people, so no worries there. This is ham, that's fine. Salmon is good. Chunky beef soup. Will you eat this?
No, we got it for the hurricane.
Purge pile. Chicken and sausage gumbo with rice. Purge pile. Oils, sauces, vinegar, coconut oil, kids macaroni and cheese, kids macaroni and cheese. Whole wheat pasta for kids. Not purge pile. Apple pie filling.
I was going to open it and rinse it off and see if there was soft enough apples for her to have.
Fair enough. Kids sugar pile. Almond milk, coconut butter. Oh, this stuff also is really good. You should try this. We'll link that below as well. And oh, honey, what's this? What's that, babe? What?
That was my Christmas present.
So purge pile? Okay, look, guys, you can't be legalistic about it. This is a Christmas present. Somebody got this for her from my dad, my stepmom. So we're gonna keep it, and if she wants to eat it, she can eat it. And if she feels crummy afterward, not on me. Anyway, here we go. Here's this tuna. What's in here?
Popcorn for Benjamin.
Benjamin popcorn.
My popcorn?
Not right now. Candy. He has so much candy. This one's good.
Mommy,
This
no,
one's
that's
good.
They're from Halloween.
These are good.
Yeah, but you're not eating them.
These are
You're not eating them.
these are keto.
You're not eating them.
These are keto, but I hate to waste it and look.
Okay, we can donate it to somebody.
Purge pile.
Daddy, you need to try new things.
Because that's right, Benjamin. Like you're gonna try broccoli more. Ah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, should we keep these? Because they were for when we were sick.
Mommy, my neck
Oh, we
is
should keep
still
them around
hurting. Mommy,
We only eat those when we're sick. We've got all of our sparkling waters here. Okay. We've got
Whoa.
pork rind.
Come on.
And more pork rind.
Yes. Pork rinds.
Parmesan crisp.
Cheese whiz.
Is this still good? Pepperoni?
Yeah, totally good.
Are you
Yeah.
gonna eat these?
Maybe one day.
I'm not gonna eat those.
you
This
need
has
to
an
try
H
new
on-
things too, Mommy.
No. When Daddy eats the tuna all out of the freezer, maybe.
I'm gonna go eat it right now.
No. Chips, but they're for Benjamin's school. This is
Quest.
This is actually a pretty keto bin that we've been stashing with
a
snacks.
bin that we've been snatching.
The keto bars.
Boo!
So,
Did I scare you?
yeah, dark chocolate, little snack, moon cheese, more Parmesan crisps.
You can put those back.
These are not keto cooked cookies. Certain someone likes them with Nutella.
We don't even have Nutella.
Kids pancakes. These are keto cookies right here.
That's good.
You can have these instead.
I'm eat them all night.
Mozzarella. Oh, a fat bomb. A lone fat bomb. Chicken nuggets for the kids.
Purge pile.
Beef. More fat bombs. Cream cheese. Keto cookies. Avocado. I don't know if they freeze well, but I'm trying. Bacon.
Amen.
We got lots of pork and steak. If you didn't see that video, I'll link it up in the cards. We got a lot of it on Black Friday. Ooh, we got some cheddar. Didn't know I had that. We really didn't do too bad.
For having gone completely off the wagon for like 2 solid months, basically,
No.
it wasn't that
well,
bad.
Yeah, between before moving and after moving.
So we didn't do that bad. We didn't have that much non-keto stuff in the house for all that time. And here are the final Purge Pile results. So thanks for coming along with us. We're getting back into the swing of keto things.
New year, new way of eating.
We're back to it. Keto updates will be coming forth again soonish.
So I know I'm not trying to lose weight, but I definitely have noticed a difference when I eat keto versus when I don't. And so that definitely keeps me going, because I had some times where I ate like total garbage and stuff, and oh my gosh, I felt like I just wanted to crash. And I hadn't felt that in a little while. You know, for a couple weeks I've been trying to choose more keto than not, and my body had gotten used to it, and then...
So thanks for coming along with us for our keto purge.
If you like what you see, then make sure you subscribe and follow us on social media at Our Family Be Social.
You can check out our blog too at ourfamilyb.com. We'll see you guys soon, and until then, don't forget, life is better together.